Very nice.
Committee. In attendance was the party leader and the two deputies, of course the chair of the meeting. But then I want to ask the SG, the deputy SG who is standing in for the substantive Secretary General, to read the official statement or press statement from the party, and then if there will be questions, we'll be glad to take them, but we'll restrict them to about 3. SG.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chair. And as you know, ODM is a party of order, rules and regulations. We usually have our consistent meetings of the National Executive Committee. So I'd like to read the communication from the meeting we've just had. The National Executive Committee, NEC, of the ODM party met today, Thursday, 11th April 2024, to deliberate on a number of issues concerning the party in the run-up to party activities scheduled for this month and the days to come. We also deliberated on matters of national interest, issues that affect the common mwananchi that require our intervention as a party. The party leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and the two deputy party leaders, Honorable Wycliffe Oparanya and Honorable Hassan Ali Joho, attended the meeting. The following are the resolutions. 1. We endorsed the new look 3-member National Elections Coordinating Committee, that is NECC, to replace the defunct National Elections Board, NEB, that was disbanded following recommendations of the National Executive Committee on September 6, 2023. The NECC will have devolved roles which will be executed at the county level by a 3-member County Election Committee, that is CECs. This is subject to resolution by the National Governing Council, NGC, scheduled for next week. 2, the National Executive Committee gave the nod for the rolling out of the grassroots elections in phases beginning April 27, 2024. We urge party members to participate in this exercise and elect officials who will steer the party to prosperity. It is worth noting that ODM is the only party in the country that has been consistent in fulfilling legal obligations as stipulated in the Political Parties Act, including conducting grassroots elections on time. 3. In line with the Political Parties Disputes Tribunal on matters filed by members facing action, the NEC referred the matter to the legal committee of the party for further direction. Honorable Catherine Omanyo, our Deputy Secretary General.